Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of HoneyBook. In order to do so, here we are at honeybook.com, and as you can see, we have the option to start a free trial. Now, what does HoneyBook do? Well, you can send invoices, send contracts, you can book and schedule, automate workflows, track inquiries, manage projects, send forms and questionnaires, and accept online payments. So that gives you an idea of what you can do with HoneyBook. It's obviously good for companies that need a service of this sort. And you do have a free trial here that you can use. You can use it for professional invoices, secure payments, online contracts, fast scheduling, powerful AI, and automations. So here, just kind of taking a look, we've got some reviews and they all seem quite positive. So let's go ahead and click start free trial. You can also book a demo. So you can see here that you can start a 7-day free trial. Let's just go ahead and sign up here with Google. And we'll see exactly how far we can get into this here. So in order to actually get access to HoneyBook, then you are going to need to start that 7-day free trial. So if you want to go through that process, then you can go ahead and do that. Let's just go ahead and head back here, take a closer look at some of what HoneyBook offers. We do have an app that we want to install as well that can help with managing HoneyBook. So it is available on iOS and Android. And we have a lot of positive reviews. It looks like on Capterra, the reviews are really quite positive, and it has been featured on some major outlets like Forbes and Reuters, CNBC. So with HoneyBook, you do have at least some confidence that it is a quality service. Unlike some other platforms that might be getting you into something that you're not going to be interested in, it does look like the reviews for HoneyBook are really quite positive. So we have the HoneyBook Business Academy resources to grow your business. They can take your existing files and turn them into proposals, contracts, and invoices. You can even hire a HoneyBook Pro, and you have all their resources here in their resource library. So you can come here to HoneyBook and start your free trial. And again, if you're looking to start a business and you need something in order to manage your invoices and book and schedule and manage projects, accept online payments, then you might want to give HoneyBook a try. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.